Hi, today we are here at Melbourne to cover the L'Oreal Melbourne Fashion Festival 2010. The L'Oreal Melbourne Fashion Festival is Australia's largest and most successful consumer fashion event. In 2010, the festival has an inspirational lineup of guests and innovative platforms to support Australian fashion industry. One of the surprise showcases of this year is Mumbai-based Australian-Indian Rajat K. Tangri's collection. Hi Rajat, it was wonderful to see your collection in the morning today. Could you please tell us a bit about yourself and how you came to be associated with the festival?
Sure. I studied at RMIT here, and like Karen Webster, who's the festival director right now, she used to be the head of the department when I actually was studying. And it was very impromptu. It was very random. I just got in touch with her, and she just straight away sent me an invite. She's like, you should be showcasing, and I was like, okay, why not? So I was just kind of thinking about that, and so yeah, it just happened like very randomly actually. So yeah, and here I am, like I showcased today. So
what inspires you to design?
Well, basically, for this particular collection, my inspiration came from clusters of red blood cells. I just Googled out a lot of images and scans of red blood cells and how they're they're always in clusters and stuff like that. So I actually thought of an idea. I actually took leather and I cut sequences, keeping that in mind, and so the embroideries and stuff that you see in the collection as well, it's all clusters of these red blobs that you see on these neutral shades. This collection, I wanted it to be wearable. I wanted it to be really high end, but I still wanted it to be very quirky and edgy as well. So there are certain pieces that are exceptionally wearable. There's certain pieces that are really edgy and it would cater to a very small audience. I just had a very controlled color palette. I just predominantly used 3 strong tones, and the whole collection revolves around them.
What kind of fabrics have you used primarily?
Predominantly, I've used a lot of leather. A lot of the embroidery is basically leather cut into sequences and stuff. And I've used a lot of silks, like silk organzas. I've teamed them up, made them more like autumn winter. I've used silk taffetas. The International Fashion Weeks, for somebody from an Indian platform, it's a much bigger platform. The audience is really, really big. Plus you get this whole international awareness of what's going on. And when you're actually competing with designers overseas, you actually you actually automatically kept a league above.
Do you think Indian designers have a scope in Australian fashion industry?
Totally. I mean, India is full of immense talent. There's so many amazing designers, upcoming designers who've come in, and they're brilliant. And and everybody's doing more Western wear. I mean, they kind of forte in Western wear, and they do Indian wear as well. So, but yeah, I mean, it's very compatible. People over here will love their stuff. I mean, in fact, in Noir Desire here, we are stocking a lot of Indian designers apart from me as well.
So what are your future plans now?
Future plans? Well, definitely doing Indian fashion weeks. Creating an awareness about myself. Though I mean, a lot of celebrities endorse me and they wear my stuff. And I've done a couple of Bollywood films as well.
Thanks so much for your time, Rajat. We wish you all the very best.